Hey everybody, welcome to Flip's Kitchen. Today we are going to teach you how to make pigs in a blanket. Pigs in a blanket? 布団にくるまった子豚ちゃん? Yes, that's what we're going to make. Pigs in a blanket. Here's our pigs, also known as pork wieners. And here's our blanket, puff pastry. Now the good thing is you can get all these at the local stores right near you. Gyom Super. Okay, good. Well, actually, this is from Top Value. But we also need oven paper, and we got irigoma, so we got roasted sesame seeds. We have mustard and ketchup to put on after we make these, and we need an egg. Now, if you have an egg allergy, you don't need to use an egg, but we're going to do that, and that's going to make it nice and brown on top. Okay, here's what we do. First thing. Wash your hands. Come right over here.
We're gonna wash our hands. There's some soap. Woo! Get it all clean. Scrub, 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 scrub. Dry your hands. Okay.
Good. Now, puff pastry, I've got some right here on my cooking board. I'm gonna cut it into three equal spots and 1/2. I don't know how to say that, but let's try it anyway. Watch what I do here, okay? 1, 2, and then we'll cut it right in half. Just like that. So that we have 6 kind of equal pieces. Do it one more time.
I love cooking. Do you love cooking? Hey, these are perfect for a cold afternoon and after school treat.
Oh, make these as a family. And of course, if you make them, make sure you send a picture to us, okay? All right, so I've got my puff pastry. Now watch what I do here, because this is the fun part. I'm gonna come over here. I got my pan. We're gonna cook these in an oven, but you can also cook them in a toaster oven. I've got my oven sheet on because it's easy and we can just throw it all away when we're done. I'm gonna take a pig and a blanket. Now watch what I do here. I'm just gonna wrap, the little piggy in the blanket just like that. That's all we need to do, okay? Then we'll just put it on our tray, and then let's do this a whole bunch more times. Let's take our egg. Oh, I'm gonna wash my hands one more time. Okay, let's take your egg and we're gonna put this on top of our pigs. So we just I have a brush. You can use anything you want. You don't have to use a brush, but we're just gonna take it like this and just brush it on top. Oh yeah, that's nice.
Those pigs, they like that. Yes, they do. We're almost done. We're almost done. We get a good coating. That egg on there. Yeah, now, if you have an egg allergy, you don't have to put eggs on your pigs. No problem.
And then I'm going to take my toasted sesame seeds and put them right on top. This makes it extra delicious. Just give a sprinkle.
Okay. Okay.
Close it up so we don't spill. And then you can see, here's our pigs in the blanket. They're ready to go in the oven. Let's go put them in the oven, okay? It takes about 20 minutes at 200 degrees. 20 minutes at 200 degrees. Okay? Let's check back in 20 minutes. See you soon. Okay, everybody, it's been about 20 minutes. We're going to check on our pigs. I got my oven mitts because it's hot, so we're just going to check over here.
See how they're doing?
This is what they look like. These are pigs in the blanket. Don't those look yummy and delicious? Let's let them cool for just a little bit. Okay, so I've got some. I put them on my plate over here. Here's my pigs in the blanket. Now, I told you we need mustard and ketchup. These are 2 of my favorite things right here. And these are great for dipping your pigs in the blanket in. But I think one of the most important things about pigs in the blanket is to eat them with your friends. So I've invited Mark to come with me. Hey Mark, come on over here. Ooh. You gotta try these pigs in the blanket out. Here you go.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, they might be a little bit hot. Ooh.
Wow. That's good. That's good. This is good. Now I'm gonna have a little mustard. Don't mind if I do.
Smart.
It's mine. Look, it's mine. It's mine.
Pigs in the blanket. It's the perfect after-school snack. Easy to make, have fun. If you make it, send us your picture so that we can see your pigs in the blanket. Thanks so much for joining us at Flip's Kitchen. We'll see you next time.
Bye.